All right, so skin tightening, what should your budget be? So I always like to describe budget for patients over a period of time and not just your initial investment. So anytime that you're gonna be doing a treatment that's going to lift and tighten the skin, typically you're going to be doing it in a series of a couple of treatments, and those treatments are each gonna have an associated cost. So typically when you're looking at an energy-based device, Profound Matrix for example, you're gonna be looking to spend around $1,200 per treatment, and typically you'll be wanting to do a couple of those within, an 8 to 12 week period of time. Typically when you do that, they're discounted slightly in a package. So when you do those treatments, that series of treatments should give you a result that you're not going to be refreshing for about a year, year and a half. So though it's an upfront cost, the longevity of the treatment is pretty solid. Same with injectables. So when we're talking about Sculptra, so Sculptra is going to be restoring volume that we've lost over our lifetime, right? So whenever I talk to somebody about what that upfront investment is going to look like, it's very similar for everybody. I recommend 1 vial of that per decade of their life. The cost of a vial of Sculptra in our practice is $800. So if you're a 40-year-old female, you're gonna be looking to do about 4 vials of Sculptra over a few week period of time, but then you're gonna maintain that yearly with about 1 vial of Sculptra. So it's a little bit of a larger investment, and then over time that cost that you're incurring is less. Radiesse is a little bit different. The benefit of Radiesse is that immediate correction. Typically, you're gonna be looking at spending about $1,500 per treatment to address, average signs of aging in the mid to lower face. And then that, though it is indicated to last about 15 months, that you're gonna be looking to update and keep up with every 6 to 12 months.